Hello guys, my name is Shaima. In this tutorial video, I will teach you how to do void on a curved door like this image. Okay, so you guys can go to customize, go to storage function. Then you can select the second button and go to art cabinet. Okay, you can drag out any art cabinet. You can use this one or this one, up to you. But I will be using this carcass. Okay, and you can adjust the size first. Okay, here I will change the width to 500 and then the depth I change to 600. Okay, then we need to delete the front panel. So you press B button, you will see board selection mode. Okay, select the front panel and delete it. You can select the shelf and delete it as well. Okay, then press escape button, exit the board selection mode. Next, you can click this plus button, install outdoor. Then select the space inside. You can choose open left or open right. Okay, then just click OK. This is your outdoor. Okay, then you can click exit the installation. Okay, then you can press B button again, select the door, right click and go to panel point editing. Okay, so this is a panel point editing mode. You can see the camera on your left side here. Okay, this is your rear panel. Okay, then here you can drill circle shape. Okay, drill circle in the middle. Okay, so you can see something like this, but you can move your circle. Okay, select your circle and move it. Okay, select again. Okay, and then move it to adjust the position. Okay, this is a move button. Just drag the circle. Okay, adjust the position. Next, we're going to draw rectangle for the door hole. Okay, you can see in the image here, got hole for the door section. So you can drill another shape, which is a rectangle shape on top. Okay, you can draw rectangle really small, start from here or start from down here, up to you. Make sure the rectangle you draw is really small. Okay, and make sure it also touch the circle. Okay, the line must touch the circle. So you draw another rectangle down here. Alright, done. You can see in the camera that you can click save, return. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, then you can press escape. Okay, usually I will hide the door first, so you can select the door and press H button. Okay, you can copy the panel down here, so you press B button, select the panel, right click, copy, or you can press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, copy to the top and you adjust the spacing, adjust the height. Okay, 800, click OK. Let's say you want to adjust the height, you can select the panel. Okay, adjust the height inside here. Move the Z angle. This one, let's say 1002, then it will move up. Okay, then you can unhide the door, go to display, material management. Okay, this one you can click display. So it will show back the door. Okay, press escape button, exit everything. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So you guys can try out yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe our channel.